Hello YouTube, this is Arnold8351 again, and I've got an Airsoft review on the Crosman Pulse R76, modeled after the AK-47. And for some basics, it fires at 400 FPS and at about 800 rounds per minute. It has front adjustable sights for distance, and here is the hop up. All the way down is semi, middle is full, and all the way up is safe. This model comes with the removable buttstock. It does the most popular model I've seen has the fold out stock. Well, if you can see on the bottom here, there is a little trigger button there. Just push that down and turn it, and you can slide it right off and just put it on and twist until you hear a click. Put it back on. The gun is entirely made of metal, and the only plastic parts on it are made of ABS plastic, which are the pistol grip, foregrip, and stock. It has regular AK-47 sights, and it has an 8.4 volt battery, which is stored in here by simply pressing this button, pulling it up, and right there, plugs into a wire there, and then simply get it back on by pushing this in there, in front, popping it down the back, pulling out that button, and you're basically ready to go. But first, to load the mag, there's a mag release here. Press it. Depending if you have any ammo in it, some BBs will come out. But to load it, there's a trap door back here. Open that up and pour the BBs in until full. I've loaded it a little already. And then when it's in or out of the gun, there's a winding mechanism on the bottom, which goes like this. So just wind it like that until you see BBs appear here at the top. And give it a couple extra winds. Then put it back in and you're ready to go. So overall, this gun is very accurate and powerful, but I'm still going to demonstrate it for you guys, shooting at that target. So let's see how it does. First, we will be doing it on semi-auto. Now full auto. Okay, so great overall gun. I highly recommend it. It's about $110 at Dick's Sporting Goods and online at just about any website. So let's see how it did. Alright, good, accurate overall. I'm pretty sure I didn't even miss a shot there. So, yep, great gun. And thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.